All right, so here's part two. The next problem we want to solve, suppose we have uh, a number here in radians without the pi. So here we're going to do the same things. So remember our conversion factor here. Radians we want to cancel out. So remember this pi is actually radians, right? We want degrees on top, so we're going to put degrees on top. These units will cancel out. So we have 3 times 180, 540 over pi. This is going to give us in degrees too. So now this is weird. So we have to punch in pi as a number. We're going to divide that by pi. And we're going to get about 171.9 degrees. Okay, you also have a problem like this on your homework. So they're going to give you an angle in radians, and it's going to say to find the value of the sine and cosine of this angle. Okay, so we're going to find the sine of 5 pi over 6, and we're going to also find the cosine of 5 pi over 6, right? So in order to do this, we're going to use our unit circle here, 5 pi over 6 right here. So it's same as 150 degrees. And remember, the first one is going to give you the cosine. So the cosine is going to be negative radical 3 over 2. And the sine is going to be 1 over 2. And again, if they ask you for the answer in decimals, you can punch that into calculator and change those into decimals.